market will open. It'll start to drive to the upside. Everybody's like, yes, everybody buys in right there, right? You're like, yay. They didn't see all this. They didn't track everything that it's been doing. And then it immediately goes like this. They get out for a loss. It comes back up for a retest, breaks through, and they're like, damn it. Stop buying it right here. Save yourself the headache, right? If it's running to the upside, wait. Wait for it to hit here. Wait for it to pull back. Then look at entry. Then it's going to drive back up. Move your stop up. Then it's either going to break through or it's going to pull back and you still collect your money, right?
Right.
Okay, because here's the other scenario. It drives up. It'll break through. Nice long candle pop. Comes back for a retest. We already know it's either going to bounce on support or it's going to break right through, right? It does it every time. It's every single time. That's the only two scenarios you have in that situation, right? If you are scalping, it's puts on resistance right here. That's a put. Why? Because even if it's small, it's going to pull back. Even if it's tiny, you're going to get money right there. Then, if it decides immediately to come right back up, you got to stop right here. Okay, so it'll stop you out if you didn't make money on this little move. And now, if it breaks through, you're in longs. Now you're in calls. And your stop is right here again, because as soon as it breaks through, right? So it comes up, pulls back, breaks through, retest, stop now because you're in the longs, and see if then it does actually become support where it was once resistance. Otherwise, bang, back to the downside we go again. Now we're in puts, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse. Make sense, everybody? What you've done now is you went here, you bought a call, yes?
Yeah, you're already in that call. Yep. You go with it.
And then
Yep.
it pulls back and you buy a put.
Right.
Guess what this is called?
That's a straddle, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So now what you do is you put a stop here, you put a stop here. One of them gets crossed out, and then it continues to run in one direction or the other, and you get paid.